Hi, today we'll be solving an exponential growth function. So our question is, 2 months ago we had 3 rabbits and now we have 18. So what we're trying to figure out is, what's k, how many rabbits 2 months ago, and how many will we have in a year? This is the main function that we're going to try to solve for. And y to the t, y parentheses t parentheses equals a times e to the power of kt is our formula for solving this. So to start off, we know that a equals 3, k t equals 2 for 2 months, and yt is 18. And now we can solve that by plugging in everything together and getting 18 equals 3 plus e to the k 2. And now we simply, to get this shorter, we divide both sides by 3 to just simplify the equation. So over 3 and over 3, these would cancel, so then we would be left with 6 equals e to the 2k, just because I'm rearranging these so it's easier to follow. And after that, we're going to take the natural logarithm of both sides to cancel out the e. So we would be left with ln 6 equals ln e to k. And now these would undo themselves, and this leaves us with ln 6 equals 2k. And now we'd basically keep working this down until we get k alone. We're trying to figure out k right now. And now we divide this by 2 to get k alone. These cancel, so then our final equation would be ln 6 over 2 equals k. And now that we want to know the population. I'm sorry, this was supposed to be 2 more months. So now we want to know the population for 2 more months, assuming that that's the original function. So then we would have to solve y to the 4 equals 3 plus e, or 3e parentheses ln 6 over 2 times 4. And now by plugging this into a calculator, this will give us 108. And now And now, it says how many in a year from now. So we have to take into account that we're adding 2 months to the 12-month year because this math is already for 2 months ahead of time. It's not for 2 months we're not counting from the point where we start. We're counting from the point where we're starting right now, not from the initial point. So to kind of compensate for that, we have to add 2 months to the year, and our formula would be y to the 14 equals 3 ln 6 over 2 4. And this is due to, for the same reason that 14, that we're summing for the year and not just we're starting for the year from 2 months ago, not from 2 months from now. And this would give us 839,808 rabbits. So pretty much if you don't have a calculator, you can simply leave it as this, just for the sake of not working the problem out. But if you do have one, you simply plug in 3 followed by e to the power of ln 6 over 2 times 14. And the 14 has to be on top of the exponent as well. You can't put it at the bottom or the calculation will come out wrong. And then that will equal to the total of whatever. And you could do this by simply changing this number, the t value. You could change the whole outcome of the equation. So if you're trying to solve for it 2 years, for 4 years, 10 years, you just simply keep on adding the months to this equation, and it will keep changing over time. Now, if you have any questions, or if something wasn't completely clear, just let me know. And it is my second time doing a video, so any criticism, anything that you think I should do differently would help. So thank you.